Hey guys, welcome to Future Tech TV. Today I have a great news. The Redmi Note 7 has been launched in China. As you all know, the Redmi brand has gained much popularity in India. So as a result, Xiaomi has launched the Redmi brand as a separate sub-brand of Xiaomi itself. The first smartphone that has been launched by the Redmi brand is the Redmi Note 7, which is successor to the Redmi Note 6. It comes with the Snapdragon 660 processor. That is one of the greatest improvement over the last generation of smartphones, because most of the last generation Redmi phones came with the Snapdragon 635 or 625. So that is one of the great improvements that we all saw in the Redmi Note 7. Here are 5 reasons why you should be upgrading to the Redmi Note 7 in 2019. The number one reason being the 48 megapixel back camera. It also has a 5 megapixel depth of field camera on the back. It also has a 13 megapixel selfie shooter with AI capabilities to beautify your face. The 48 megapixel camera should be using pixel bending to make the nighttime photography into a breeze for the Redmi Note 7. The second reason is being the price of the phone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 has been launched at an introductory price of around 11,000 Indian rupees in China, and for the 3GB variant, and for the 6GB variant the price has gone up to around 15,000 rupees. Considering the value that we get with this sub 20,000 price range, this is a wonderful offer for everybody who is looking to upgrade to an affordable and powerful smartphone in 2019. Another important reason is the inclusion of a teardrop design. The teardrop notch design, you have already seen it on the OnePlus 6, you have already seen it on the Realme 2 Pro, and a lot of smartphones in 2019 had the teardrop design. Another reason why you should be upgrading to the Redmi Note 7 is the inclusion of supposedly a water resistant or a waterproofing for the Redmi Note 7 smartphones. The Redmi Note 7 smartphones will be having some sort of water resistance compared to the previous generation. A water sealed design is being used for the Redmi Note 7, so we can expect somewhat water resistant smartphones like the ones we saw on the OnePlus series. They don't actually say that they have IP ratings, but the phone is actually a bit of water resistant. So that is the kind of protection that you can expect in the coming up smartphone, the Redmi Note 7. It is better than having no water resistance, right? Having some sort of water resistance is better than having no water resistance at all. That is good enough for me, and for the price we pay for the smartphone, this is a good option. And the last feature that I want to talk about is the inclusion of a USB Type-C charging port. The Redmi smartphones usually come with normal USB charging ports, which it is outdated now, and it is 2019, and even the budget smartphone manufacturers are going to upgrade to a Type-C USB cable, and it also has Quick Charge 3.0 enabled, which will enable your smartphone to be charged at a really high rate. It has a 4000 mAh battery, and that is also another important reason why some people used to buy the Redmi smartphone, for their long lasting battery life. So that is it guys, this is the 5 reasons why you should be upgrading to the Redmi Note 7 in 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can find the red button below my video. So thank you for watching, and I will be adding the buying links once the phone is released in India in the description. Hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys.